Today we are going to be talking about the Backwoods Adventure Mods front bumper for the 2022 and newer Toyota Tundras. This is a pretty cool design because it is a two-piece design. The tray for the winch is steel, so that way it can support all the way up to a 12K synthetic lined winch. But the outer shell is aluminum, so that way you save a little bit of weight. So what you see poking through here is a 3/4 inch shackle mount, one on each side, and that is fixed to the winch tray itself. So all of that pulling strength when you go to reuse the recovery points are going to be all steel. So you'll know that it will support whatever you're pulling or pulling yourself out. And then in front here, we have a 14-pound cover basically. This is made out of aluminum. It's really just to hide everything in the back and provide you a little bit of weight saving as well. And I really like the style and the design of the access holes on each side. It allows you to reach in to disengage your clutch on your winch. That way you can pull your winch out. The tray back there is a 41-pound tray, and that will support a 10,000 pound winch or a 12,000 pound winch. And what we have attached to that currently is the Born Off-Road 12K winch with the red lines. This is also a new product. It has been pretty good. I really like that the line is high vis, so you can see it when you pull it out and use it. So this is obviously a low profile factory replacement bumper, being that it only replaces the middle section here and nothing is cut or trimmed on the side to fit this bumper. This is very easy to install. You could do this by yourself since it's so light, and it's made in the US. It ships for free, and most of the time it is in stock like it is right now, currently at runningfortacos.com. So this bumper is currently priced at $999, making it as competitive as all the other brands currently offering the same style bumper for it. I'm talking about the reputable companies like CBI and C4. Backwoods is right up there with them, and they have a lifetime warranty on all of their bumpers and most of their parts as well. So including this one is a lifetime warranty product. So if you ever have any issues with it, they will take care of you. Or if you buy from us, we will make sure that you are taken care of if you were to run into any issues with it. But super quick overview of this bumper. We're extremely happy with it so far. We haven't had any issues, and in my opinion, probably one of the better looking ones available. But we'll have a product link to this product in the description if you wanted to take a look for it for yourself. But if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. Let us know what you guys want to see. We'll see you guys next time.